This is George Sicalius, and this is Sprint 8. So, this is my demo as of right now. It's showcasing inputs, alarmables, collisions, and drawn update managers. So yeah, as of right now, I just have a player and a couple enemies. The enemies fire, they follow the player. They use alarms for firing, so every 5 seconds or so they'll fire another bullet. Alternatively, if I shoot them, it'll register bullet hits. What else? And then aside from that, I also have scene changing, which was in from previous weeks. So I believe, yeah, last week I had my visualizer commands. I was processing them in the scene, but this week I moved them back into the visualizer. So the visualizer now has a broker, and when it actually creates a new command, it'll give it to the broker. Well, it tells the broker to create a new command. And then the broker will either grab one from the pool or create a new one. And then how that's actually getting drawn is in scene. In the draw, I'm making a call to the visualizer to process all of the visual commands located in the visualizer. So yeah, as for documentation, so I focus primarily on the classes that the user would actually be utilizing. So where's on model manager? Yeah. So I just gave a couple brief descriptions of how to use the functions. Include some code for how to actually use the methods. So yeah, another one is game object. There's a lot more stuff to cover in game object. So yeah, just including brief descriptions along with some code just to show how each method is supposed to be used or what the user is supposed to put in them. So yeah, for my draw, I demonstrate how to actually register how to create a graphics object and then set the game object to be drawn. So yeah. What else? Scene. This is, yeah, that scene command. So scene, since it's split between the user being able to do stuff within scene, like initialize and terminate, and also like there being stuff that the user isn't supposed to touch, like update and draw. So for like initialize and terminate, I included some code as to how to use that. For the other ones, for the ones that only the person in charge of making the engine would use, I just left brief descriptions, basically saying what they do and where they're called. So yeah, that's all I have for this week.